Now low it out, 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 now low it out. West side low it out, south side low it out, east side low it out, north side low it out. Now low it out, 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 now low it out. West side low it out, south side low it out, east side low it out, north side low it out. Now hit the courtroom and make your shoulders move. Thank you so much for joining us today. I am Marquel Cade with Cade Mark Law, your favorite neighborhood lawyers, back with another resource for you. One of the favorite comebacks that I like to hear when I tell people I'm a lawyer is, if I ever need your services, I'll contact you. But a lot of people don't realize they probably already need my services. Today, we're gonna talk about 3 reasons why you probably already need an attorney, even if you don't have an active lawsuit going on. People love to wait until the last minute before going to get a lawyer. And it makes sense. Lawyers are expensive. Not everyone has that kind of cash just lying around able to go get an attorney. Not everyone is ready to go get an attorney whenever they have a criminal matter pop up or when they have someone sue them. But these aren't the only times where you need to seek an attorney. Thus, it's good to have an attorney on standby. Here are 3 reasons why. Reason number 1, for estate planning. Whether you're young, old, or somewhere in between, we all die. And while death is inevitable, not everyone sees their death coming. Sometimes death can be an accident, and you don't want to die without leaving your loved ones instructions on what to do with your body, for instance, after you pass away. You want a living will, you want a last will, you want a power of attorney, whether it's durable or medical or both. You want a disposition of last remains. You want a letter of last instructions. You want letters to loved ones even. You want to make sure that you have an attorney to help you with your estate planning. And as your estate changes, as you gain more property or assets, as your family grows, as you lose loved ones that you were going to leave things to, you want to have an attorney on standby to make sure that if anything were to happen to you, your affairs and the loved ones that you're leaving behind are taken care of. Reason number 2, to help you start or run a business. Increasingly, people are becoming content creators. They're creating their own second jobs. They're creating passive income. And a lot of this leads to business formation. You want to have an attorney on standby to help you understand the common legal issues that businesses face, to help you avoid those issues, to help you plan for those issues, to help you circumnavigate those issues when and if they pop up. And since people are going into business for themselves or going into the gig market where you have Uber or Uber Eats, or you have these common law contractor type jobs where people are seemingly working for themselves where they work for a larger entity, it becomes increasingly important. You want to make sure that as you go into business for yourself, as you form businesses, as you're running the business that you form, that you're doing so properly. And to do so properly, you need to have access to competent legal counsel that can help you navigate these things. Reason number 3, for general legal issues. Everyone has a legal problem come up at some point in their life. They're pulled over and have a traffic stop and have a traffic ticket and must go to traffic court. Maybe they're going through a divorce proceeding and they need an attorney for divorce. Maybe they need to get their assets in order, like we talked about with our first reason. But odds are, over some point in your life, you're going to interact with an attorney. So it's good to have an attorney you trust, you know, and you can believe in on standby, so that when you have these interactions, you have a familiar face that you can go to. You have someone that you can trust, that you've built a relationship with, that can help you, that can answer these questions, that can help you with these tough decisions, that can help you keep things in order. Having access to a good attorney is good just for general life purposes. Asking a legal question when legal things come up is something that you can only do when you have access to an attorney. And you don't want to wait until something comes up like a lawsuit or a criminal matter before you start looking for someone to trust. You want to already have that relationship in place. Basically, the moral of the story is, don't wait until you feel you need an attorney to seek one. Seek one out. You likely already do. That need is almost ever present in everyone's life. Laws guide how we live. Laws guide how we conduct business. Laws guide how society runs. Therefore, it's kind of important to have access to an attorney. You don't wait until you're sued or wait until you have a criminal case come up before you need an attorney. You almost always need an attorney. That's all, folks. Thank you so much for joining us today. This has been Don't Wait Until You Need a Lawyer. Here are 3 reasons why you likely already do. Once again, I am Markwell Cade with Cade Mark Law, your favorite neighborhood lawyers. Protect your brand, grow your business. Stay frosty, my friends. We'll see you next time. We hope this was helpful.